Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new poem of Unit 9, Don't Tell. Here, this poem is about a child. He wishes to do many things. He wants to do many things. But here, the parents are just telling him not to do few things because he is small. But the child thinks that he is not small from inside. Now, for example, if you want to do something and your parents tells you, no, don't do that. That is not for you. You will get hurt. You will get injured. Few things which is not good for you. The parents which they think, which is not, you are not capable of it. You will not able to do it. बट फ्रॉम इनसाइड समटाइम्स यू थिंक आई कैन डू इट, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, मुझे ये सब आता है, आपको ऐसा लगता है. लेकिन अगर आपके पेरेंट्स उनके नज़रिए से सोचते हैं तो उनको ऐसा लगता है कि आप ये नहीं कर सकते. सो हियर द पोएम इज अबाउट. सो इन दिस पोएम is what about a child. He feels sad because his parents do not allow him to do certain things. They think that the child is too young to do these things. But the child thinks that he is very big from inside. आप लोग भी ऐसे सोचते हो ना कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, अब मुझे क्यों मना कर रहे हो. कोई चीज़ के लिए आप ज़िद भी करते हो कि नहीं मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, आप मुझे मना मत करो, ये मैं कर पाऊँगा. ही कैन डू मैनी थिंग्स विच एल्डर्स थिंक ही कैन नॉट. वो ये सोचता है कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी पेरेंट्स मना करते हैं. ही ओनली वॉन्ट्स टू गेट अ चांस in order to show his capability. उसको सिर्फ एक मौका चाहिए, उसे सिर्फ एक मौका ही चाहिए जिससे वो बता सके कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. कविता में बच्चा उदास महसूस करता है क्योंकि उसके माता पिता उसे कुछ खास चीज़ें नहीं करने देते हैं. वे सोचते हैं कि इतना छोटा है कि उन चीज़ों को वो नहीं कर पाएगा. लेकिन बच्चा सोचता है कि अंदर से वो बहुत ही बड़ा है, वो बहुत सी चीज़ें कर सकता है जिन्हें बड़े सोचते हैं कि वह नहीं कर सकता. वह केवल एक मौका पाना चाहता है जिससे कि वह अपनी क्षमता दिखा सके. So now we will start with the poem, children. Unit 9. The poem name is Don't Tell. What is the poem name? Don't Tell. Are there some things that grown-ups don't let you do? Read about what this child feels. Yes. Are there some things, as I told you, your parents will not allow you to do few things which is not possible for you. But you think from inside, आप अंदर से सोचते हो ना कि नहीं मैं ये करूँगा, मैं कर सकता हूँ. लेकिन आपके पेरेंट्स को फिर भी पता चलता ही है, उन्हें पता ही है कि ये आपकी बस की बात नहीं है, आप ये नहीं कर पाओगे. So this is a story about a child and the parents. There are lots of things they won't let me do. There are lots of things they won't let me do. बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं जो वे मुझे करने नहीं देते. Right? They won't let me do. I am not big enough yet. They say. कहते हैं मैं अभी उतना बड़ा नहीं हुआ हूँ. इसलिए मैं धैर्यपूर्वक बड़ा होने का इंतज़ार करता हूँ. So I patiently wait till I am grown up, and I'll show them all one day. और तब मैं एक दिन सबको दिखा दूँगा. There are lots of things they won't let me do. I am not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I am all grown up, and I'll show them all one day. बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं जो वे मुझे करने नहीं देते. यानी उनके पेरेंट्स, जो बच्चा यहाँ पे है वो कहता है, वो कंप्लेन करता है कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मेरे पेरेंट्स करने नहीं देते हैं. वे कहते हैं, पेरेंट्स टेल्स टू द चाइल्ड, यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, द मदर इज़ टेलिंग टू द चाइल्ड, मैं अभी उतना बड़ा नहीं हुआ हूँ, इसलिए मैं धैर्यपूर्वक बड़ा होने का इंतज़ार करता हूँ. द पेरेंट इज़ सेइंग टू द चाइल्ड कि आप बड़े नहीं हुए हैं, तो वो बड़े होने का इंतज़ार कर रहा है. और तब मैं एक दिन सबको दिखा दूँगा. और वो क्या कहता है, जब वो बड़ा होगा तभी वो सबको बता देगा. I could show them now. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. If they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried. But nobody knows. Nobody knows that I am really a giant inside. So अगर वे मुझे एक मौका देते तो मैं उन्हें अभी दिखा सकता था. बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं जिन्हें प्रयास करने पर मैं कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन कोई इस बात को नहीं समझ पाता है कि मैं अंदर से बहुत ही बड़ा हूँ. Here the little child is so much upset. Here the little child is saying that if they give me a chance, I can show them that I can do many things. He wants to try it out, but nobody understands him that from inside he is very big. Who thinks? The child thinks from inside I am very big, but from outside he is small only and is not capable. He is still small. So once again we'll read the poem, children. Don't tell. There are lot of things they won't let me do. I am not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I am all grown up, and I'll show them all one day. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried. But nobody knows. Nobody knows that I am really a giant inside. Understood, children? So you must be thinking that this poem is about you only. If you also must be in that place, you must be thinking that I wish I want to do this, I wish I want to do that, but I am not at all. The parents don't allow me to do. So now children will do new words. New words. E-N-O-U-G-H. E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. Enough means what? Big enough, grown up, bada hona. C-H-A-N-C-E, chance. C-H-A-N-C-E, chance. चांस मतलब एक मौका देना, राइट, अपॉर्चुनिटी. नेक्स्ट इज जायंट. G-I-A-N-T, जायंट. G-I-A-N-T, जायंट. जायंट इज वेरी बिग, बहुत ही बड़ा. एंड द लास्ट इज पेशेंट. P-A-T-I-E-N-T. P-A-T-I-E-N-T, पेशेंट. पेशेंट मीन्स धैर्य रखना. पेशेंट मीन्स धैर्यपूर्वक, धैर्य रखना. थोड़ा समय. So, dear children, you must have understood the poem and the new words also. Now we'll go to the exercise part. Reading is fun. First one. How old is the speaker? How old is the speaker? The speaker is a young child. What? The speaker is a young child. See, the also I took from the question. Speaker also I've taken from the question only. SPAKER. The speaker is a young child. Is a young child. Young child. Okay. Now next. Who are they and them in the poem? कविता में they और them कौन है? They and them are the parents of the child or grown up people. यहाँ पे कविता में they और them किसे कहा गया है? तो यहाँ कविता में they और them ये जो child है ना उसके पेरेंट्स को या फिर जो उससे बड़े उन्हें कहा गया है. They and them are the parents of the child or grown up people. Question 3. What is the secret the speaker is hiding? Secret जो है वो स्पीकर कविता में किस राज को छुपा रहा है? He is a giant from inside. यहाँ जो बच्चा है वो क्या छुपा रहा है कि he is giant from inside. तो थर्ड का आंसर क्या है? He is giant from inside. He is giant from inside. That is the answer of the third question, from inside. Okay, now think of the three things that they won't let you do. Three things they won't let you do. They won't allow me to go to market alone. First, चलो आप लोग ही बताओ कि तीन चीज़ें कौन सी है जो आपके पेरेंट्स अलाउ नहीं करेंगे. तो वो है कि मार्केट में आपको नहीं भेजेंगे अकेले. दे वोंट अलाउ मी टू हैंडल इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लाइंसेस. राइट, इलेक्ट्रिक की जो चीज़ें हैं वो आप नहीं टच कर सकते. दे वोंट अलाउ मी टू बर्न गैस स्टव. और गैस स्टव जो हम जो गैस पे खाना पकाते हैं वो हमें उनके पास जाने के लिए मना करेंगे. सो दिस इज़ करेक्ट. You are too small to use all these things. Question 2. What are the things you like to do when you are grown up that you cannot do now? वे कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिन्हें तुम बड़े होकर करना चाहेंगे जो तुम अभी नहीं कर सकते? Handling electric appliances, driving bikes or cars, traveling alone, washing my clothes, using mobile phone, surfing. Okay, so कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिन्हें तुम बड़े होकर करना चाहोगे? Now the next question is what when you will grow up, what you want to do, the things which you were not supposed or not allowed to do when you were child. So you can say handling electric appliances, driving bikes or cars, traveling alone, washing my clothes, using mobile phone. Okay, now word building. Using the letters of the given word, make three words. One is done. Over here we can see blackboard, mother, vegetable, thousands, helicopter. दिए गए शब्दों के अक्षरों का प्रयोग करते हुए तीन शब्द बनाओ. We have these words are given from these words only. We have to make the more 3 to 4 words. So blackboard is given from that mother, vegetable, thousands and helicopter. Now over here next word is what? Black. So what we will write? Her, table and pilot. So what you will write over here for blackboard? HER, her, TABLE, table, then sorry not table, other, get, send, help. Here what will write for the black? Other, 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 GET, get, SAND, send, HELP, help. This is for black. From these words we can make it out. The next is board. B-O-A-R-D, board. So what will you use? H-E-R, her. T-A-B-L-E, table. A-N-D, and. P-I-L-O-T, pilot. And the last one is back. B-A-C-K, back. So M-O-U-T-H, M-O-T-H, moth. M-O-T-H, moth. A-B-L-E, able. H-A-N-D, hand. P-E-T, pet. So these are the words. Now next exercise. Look at these words in the poem. Don't, I'm, I'll. So here are their full forms. Don't ka is what full form? Do not. I am is I am. I is I will. These are the full form of the words. Now write this full form of the following words. Now you have to write the full form of this following words. So can't ka it will be what? Cannot. C-A-N, can. N-O-T, not. It will be cannot. It's. So it, it. I-S, is. It is. Isn't. So I-S is. N-O-T, not. Is not. What's. So it will be what is. W-H-A-T, what. I-S is. What is. That's. T-H-A-T, that. I-S is. That's. That is. These are the long full forms and these are the short forms. So can't ka, cannot. It's, it is. Isn't, is not. What's, what is. That's, that is. All these are the short forms and full form we said just now. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Make sentences using the following. Now here what you have to do? We have to make sentences. His, she's, your, you are, we are. So we will make sentences over here. So first one is what? He is. So we will write he is my brother. First one over here. Then for she we will write she is writing a letter. You are going to play. You are going to play. And the last one is what? We are. So we are going to school. So these are the short forms and we made sentences. Now next. Now write about 2 things you will do when you grow up. You can begin like this. जब आप बड़े होगे तो आपको क्या बनना? What will you do? आप क्या करोगे जब आप बड़े होगे? So इधर एग्जाम्पल दिया है When I grow up I'll. सेंटेंस आप स्टार्ट करोगे इस तरह से When I grow up I'll drive my car. आप क्या करोगे? ड्राइव. D-R-I-V-E, ड्राइव माई कार. ये सबका शौक रहता है राइट. आप पापा को देखते हो ड्राइव करते हो, मामा को देखते हो तो आपको भी मन होता है ना कि मैं फटाफट एकदम फास्ट बड़ा हो जाओ और मैं 2 व्हीलर 4 व्हीलर इजीली ड्राइव कर सकूँ. और सेकेंड व्हेन आई ग्रो अप आई ट्रैवल अलोन. यस, आप सेकेंड सेंटेंस भी इसी तरह से स्टार्ट करना है. व्हेन आई ग्रो अप आई देन ट्रैवल अलोन. आप क्या करोगे? ट्रैवल. यस, आप देखते होगे आपके अगर बड़े भाई होंगे आपसे तो वो अलोन अकेले जा सकते हैं बाहर, किधर दूर किधर तो उन्हें भेज सकते हैं क्योंकि वो आपसे बड़े हैं. लेकिन आप छोटे हैं तो आपको वो नहीं जाने देते हैं. तो आपकी वो भी ख्वाहिश होगी, इच्छा होगी कि जब मैं बड़ा होगा तो मैं अकेले ट्रैवल करूँगा. सो दिस 2 things you can say. And apart from this, if you wish any other thing, that also you can write it and say. Right. Now, choose and tick the words with J sound. What is it? Choose and tick the words with a J sound. Over here we have to choose and tick the words. A. January. Goose. Jam. Jam. The pronunciation should be of J. so it will be January. We'll select GEM, jam, and JAM, jam. B, jacket, giraffe, grow, July. So B, jacket, giraffe, and July. C, giant, grapes, gray, June. Giant, grapes, and June. So these words when we pronounce, children. So these words, children, when we pronounce, it should be J sound. So January, GEM, jam, and JM, jam. Jacket, giraffe, July. Giant and June. In this only two are there. Okay. So dear children, I hope you have understood the poem and the exercise also. You have to complete this poem with neat and good handwriting. In your notebook you have to write. You have to write the poem in your notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you, students.